Welcome. You may need access to your battery to charge it. This video shows you how to access, or indeed replace it. Zontes 368G models. Battery replacement video tutorial. Preparation tools. Pin pick. Number 10 socket. Use the pin pick to remove the two expansion rivets fixing the head cover. Push down to remove the head cover as shown in the video. Use the number 10 socket or Phillips screwdriver to remove the battery positive and negative terminal screws. Note to remove the negative terminal first, then the positive terminal. Remove the battery strap as shown in the video and take out the battery. Installation of the ZT368G battery. Place the battery back into the battery compartment, ensuring the positive terminal is on the right side of the vehicle and the negative terminal is on the left side. Buckle up the battery strap. Connect the positive and negative wiring harnesses to the battery, with the red wire connected to the positive terminal and the black wire connected to the negative terminal. Note: to connect the positive terminal first, then the negative terminal. Use the number 10 socket to tighten the battery positive and negative terminal screws, and cover the terminals with a plastic cover provided with the wiring harness. Reinstall the head cover as shown in the video, ensuring the clips are aligned with the holes to avoid damaging parts. Reinstall the two expansion rivets fixing the head cover.
I'm coming for the throne.